What we're asked to do in this problem is to find the center and radius of this circle and then sketch its graph. So we know the center radius form. We know the general form. The general form is this. The general form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center is here at h and k. So the center is at h and k, and the square root of r squared, that's the radius. So this is the center. This is the radius. Now, keep in mind from when we derived this in the last video, this h here is, look at the form, x minus something. So whatever is subtracted, that's your h. Whatever is subtracted, y minus is minus, that's the k. Or you can just think of it like this. Whatever this is with a sign, take the opposite. Whatever this is with a sign, take the opposite. So in our problem up here, we have like x minus h. So h here is a 1. So let's write that. So for us, the center is going to be at 1, comma, and then over here, we'll take the opposite sign, right? It's really going to be y minus -5 if I put in the right form. But a fast way of doing it is just take that number, use the opposite sign. So 1, -5. So the center is at 1 and -5, and the radius here, well, the radius is going to be the square root of 16. So the radius is 4. So I've got the center, I've got the radius. Okay, so let's see what we can do about graphing this on this kind of clunky coordinate system I just put in here. Here's what we know. The center is at 1 and -5. So here's 1, 1, 2, well, here's -5 down here, right? So let's mark our center. 1 and the yellow, that's not going to work very well. Let's change it to a red. There's the center of the circle. And now we know that the radius is this 4. So how about if we did this? What if we come over 4 in all 4 directions here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll come over 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then from the center, I'm going to go up 4. Okay, I'll put a point there, and then I'll go from the center, I'm going to go to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put a point there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the center, let's go down. So we'll go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put a point here. Right, so what I just did is I just went 4 this way, 4 this way, 4 this way, and 4 this way. And now I'm going to do my best to draw a reasonable looking circle here. I'll connect them like this. Not too bad, that kind of works. I kind of missed it up here, but I think we get the idea. So there we go. I got the center, I got the radius, and I got somewhat of a sketch.